Hey guys! So I bought some slime from someone. I'm not gonna say it's my cousin. She said that it was gonna be, there's 3. There's only 2. And she made this stuff, she made it. That's what she said. But who actually really knows? Okay, so subscribe, just have fun, and yeah. So this was $2 right here. This slime, and yeah. Okay, so time to test it. There's stuff in it. It's not what she said it was. Like, she said it was pretty hard and like you can do that and stick your fingers in it. This is not what she said it was. See, it's not what you think. It's just like, that's this one. She told me not to tell you names, but her name, so yeah. Look at tattoo. Ah! It's a softball fire coming out. I like softball and everything. Well, that's such a disappointment. But I like it because it's watery and stuff. But I think she put too much water in it. So, yeah, I paid $2 for that. I paid $9 for this. There's stuff in it, like, I can't tell. She put stuff in it. Hold on, wait. I don't think this was $9. That was 2. This was 2. This was not $9 actually. It was $15. Yeah, $15. And I'm her family member. And it's not like what she said it was. She said it was this just regular this stuff without stuff in it. There's nothing in it. You can get everything out of the bottle. I can't get anything out of the bottle. Like, barely can get anything. And this is what I just get from just doing this. Well, that's a totally disappointment. Worst slime ever. I can't say names because I can't. And she said it'll be here in 2 days, okay? And I know she lives in the same state. Liar. Also forgot the name of her thing. She didn't tell me. She said, "Do you want my slime for $17 in shipping with an extra $2? 3 actually, because Like, it's fun to play with because, like, yeah. But that is not, like... She said it was. And she didn't even bring me in the box. She just put it like this. Like, she taped it. But I didn't want to spend my time just doing that because I know this would take a long time. So, oh, and it makes me really mad because I know it's supposed to stick to your skin, but like, like,
Hi, I'm Bridget Miller from Good Luck Charlie, and you're watching Disney Channel.
don't buy from my cousin. Like, don't. I like the containers though. Like, that's really cool.
Charlie, your big sister's Eddie with the latest installment of my Rio diary. Eddie, permit me not breakfast time. Minute. That noise here, and I asked for a minute. Your breakfast is getting cold. Well, then just put it back in the toaster.
Like, it's sticking too much. Like, that's not what she said it was. She said it didn't stick to your skin at all. Like, I'm like,
Okay, Charlie, I will get your juice and get you.
come on, this might.
Bob, did you forget to do something?
Kiss you tonight.
No, you only shaved half your face.
Pig, pig, pig. Maybe this is how I like to wear it now.
Well, it looks ridiculous. What if I decided just to brush half my hair?
But you already made that decision.
Wait, stop, stop. Did you guys hear that?
I don't hear anything.
Exactly. The barking stopped.
It's turning my hands blue. I don't know if you can tell, but it's turning my hands blue. Don't buy from her, guys. Like, she married my cousin, but don't buy her. Here, I'll try to show you guys. Like, you guys can't tell, but she's turning my hands blue. Like, that is disappointing. Like, don't know why I'm doing this. It makes me so mad. Sorry about that. Someone's in the kitchen.
Charlie's getting some sleep.
Mrs. Debbie to get that stupid dog anyway. Couldn't you get something that made less noise? Like a fish.
Fish don't make any noise.
Wish you were a fish. We all agree that thing is a pest. Because as an exterminator, it is my job to take care of pests.
When you say take care of, I know you actually mean kill. Totally fine with that.
I'll just go over to Mrs. Daddy's and demand she keep the dog in.
Like, look at.
Or you could just try being friendly.
Friendly? With Mrs. Dabney?
It's all over the place. It's not, okay? And she said I was getting 6 cents. That's why I had to pay 16, 17, $17 for this.
Dabney over, but I want everybody on their best behavior, especially you, mister.
I don't think I have the best behavior.
Yeah, well, you better find one before tonight.
In her defense, Mrs. Dabney wasn't always like this. She actually used to be kind of nice. Wait, you got that? Let's see, how old are you?
Good luck, Charlie came on.
All right, that's a pie. What do you want?
We don't want anything, Mrs. Dabney. We're just being neighborly.
Oh, come on, like. Okay.
I like you, Miss Dabney. In fact, I'd like to take care of you. Mrs. Dabney, so you have a new dog, a little chihuahua.
So that's what this is about. It's not what this is about. Dog's got a name. Hercules.
Hercules is like so big and strong, and your dog is so just being neighborly.
So, it does get all over hands, and like. I think it was supposed to be like this. This is called the Fluffy or something like that. I don't know what she called it.
Bring him in before bedtime.
I don't know. Fresh air is good for dogs. Well, sleep is good for people.
She makes me mad because I don't like this one. It's not like.
Do many favors. We were talking about the dog. Well, since we're airing our grievances,
Oh man, that's so good.
I was gonna say that maybe there's a little something you could do for me.
Mrs. Dabney, we've already told you we're not sending Dave to military school.
But if it's a deal breaker, we are willing to send him to other places. I was talking about your oak tree out back. There's a branch that hangs over my yard, always dropping acorns and making a big mess. Well, no problem. Dog goes in, branch comes off. We got a deal? We have a deal.
Dad, that branch holds our treehouse.
So what? You kids haven't been up there in years. I'm confused. Is Gabe going somewhere or not? You know, if that treehouse comes down, that will be even better. More sunlight for my vegetable garden. Start eating healthier, might even miss my goal of living to be
So, oh my god, it's already at 12 minutes. Subscribe, please like the like button, and I hate this. If you want to know where you get this, it's a Hendes or something like that. Go down to shops in South Carolina or somewhere, and you can get some. Well, peace, and have a lovely night, day tomorrow.